In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download free mockups from Behance. If you're a designer, creator, or small business owner, free mockups are a fantastic way to showcase your work in a polished professional setting. Behance, Adobe's creative portfolio platform, is packed with high-quality freebies from talented artists, and getting them onto your computer is quick and straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to behance.net. This is the official site, and you can browse freely without logging in. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the phrase free mockups and hit enter. This pulls up a wide range of project pages that include downloadable mockup files. If you have a specific category in mind, like packaging, apparel, or stationery, you can add those words to your search to narrow the results. When the results appear, browse through the thumbnails and titles until you find a mockup that matches your style or needs. Click on the project you like to open its page. Each project page is essentially a showcase where the creator presents preview images, details about the files, and download information. Take a moment to look through the previews to confirm the file type you're expecting, like PSD or AI, and to get a sense of the quality, resolution, and what's included. Next, scroll through the project page and look for a download button or a clearly marked download link. Creators often place the link near the end of the page or in the description area. When you see it, click Download. The download might start immediately, or you may be redirected to an external host such as a cloud drive or a portfolio storefront where the free option is clearly indicated. Many creators also include licensing notes in the description, so it's a good idea to read those and follow any attribution requests or usage guidelines they provide. After you click, your browser will begin saving the file to your default downloads folder. Large mockup collections can take a little extra time, and they're often packaged in a compressed archive to keep everything organized. Keeping project files in a clearly labeled folder can make it easier to find and reuse your mockups later. That's all there is to it. Go to Behance, search for free mockups, open a project you like, then scroll the page and click Download. With these simple steps, you'll build a high-quality mockup library and elevate the presentation of your work in no time.